not for the youth to understand say NPP and Kwasi Akuo. No. I say
Ade na man NPP and Kwasi.
I am amamboy for na hia. Ade bia ya amamboy for ade bia ya Kwasi ade. Na saba kukura ni. Obuko opposition, have they made any sense just once? Can you tell me just one thing? Omo aka it making sense to you say Kofo opposition bi ana say bi omo wa ba mu kura na tasentase ayo omo ko e MCC no adwene na ba fie ubetimi a kire me ade ba akopa omatimi aka say bi ubetimi aka say we die ewem say tasentase a chomu wa bra omo na 38% ne de na so so no so omo ko fie kura no omo adwene ahya say we adwuma ba akopa yet studio ya pon studio ya ye adwuma ye musasa no ya pon ye na de honoma na omo asuma macho men so omo na mepede kwabra bobi ansa efani free studio efani kwoto afiase wa Akufo Addo ifie nchen ho police station bi ho refer no Nima police station ye se ye no ye sisi ya anya baki obesu amade ache ti na ada no baki anya ne se so what for kwabra bobi ansa kwoto afiase pa na dua menna
the former first lady
I'm no su wonu kunu so na Akufo Addo so sita se baki su bia ne monkwati ne nkwatu na mlanche beti bobie kwoto afiase ade ne waya bobie akoka se ne yira kwa wiya ban asase
New Patriotic Party akokopie mo sunyane Bono region ati omuhogu monten so se I say tumi ya de ma Ghana for dem NDC aban no 2024 so mo mehwe na wo man no mu bibia nko yin ase wo mani nia memu so nemum e kame ya se so obi na obebo wakra no a na security agencies akwakwache no obi na be ye hwe ni akwakwache no enti eno wo mo use political power e dey intimidate wo mo NPP for sense ni minim se what be ehunu bi den na wo kan dia fa ho okuhu ni dia edu be bia na asem mpenipa na nipa na ne pene ho asem na se ya den seyo ne no kredie be boy bra na ya ja akwadworo suban na senetro ne kan okwadwofo be contact ya nchen na wakosua na kwan na nka wo hunu nyansa na waja jimia o jimia na nka sebi preduasa kanipa be tumpon wa brabom NPP pani nti wona sene wu na wunim se NPP amayuku no ye ka party a sebi etimidi tu ne ho se ye nimdifo ena ati amayuku ena omo freedom se monfa ntoma mebo nimdifo ne ne nyansafo amayuku yenso yentoma no enti se wusa no ena nka wo hu se na NPP tia nka wo betimi aka NPP ho asem papa bi da assessant NPP assessant ana Aremeyaw se yeba se yeba be ka se unse time ya ya de be ka NPP for asem Sammy kamidi fair time ma mini Asante Bediatuo na djuma na oye. This is the biggest opposition party or my Ghana ha one more complaints be go say abanyi although NBC and security agents aban
and they are the biggest waste of time. Addict.
Let me tell you.
Yes.
She said fun we are bay.
Yes.
Nkwala sebi. No mo maami ne tu omofo, omo papa ne tu omofo. Say mo join Amayuku NPP. NDC die. Amobra antobrofo. Rollins oyewudini na Kweku baako the front page of Rollins e maami wata. Say ni sa no mani o ma na e kan fa Rollins ne na Amayuku NDC ho ni nyina no. Say maami bia ni obetime tu ne bafo. Akwala bia ne best friend na dafo pa ne yonko pa o ne boku shiata frɛ ye ne phone enye akwala nko mpanifo sisi obia wo dana sori a the first ade a wo fa ayo phone uko dware kura wo de ko aya bia no anya ko ebi o ho a na ma no so ya no mu so sia hwe ana wo ya akoye wo ya nti ene uko dware kura no de aya akwa bi kura de yes amna e de twitwi ni sapo anim kakra na hu se safun na ne samna
o ene kuta mi
obi ayo ko pa na fu ye kura mi
okay
nti ebema ebeye din se nipa we be fi de ye ko mu fi wo twetwe mu no de di kan no de to su biem ebema nipa nyina o wiase hu se na ade ani adwin se ya de papa no eye sebi enkwase ade so say it's difficult for the youth to understand say NPP enkwase akuo no I say sebi
ade na ma NPP enkwase akuo
eye amamboye for na ahia ade bia ya amamboye for ade bia enkwase ade na saba kukure ni Obuko opposition, have they made any sense just once? Can you tell me just one thing? Omo aka it making sense to you say oh Kofo opposition bi ana say bi omo wa ba mu kura na tasentase ayo omo ko e dem sese no adwene na ba fie ubetimi akere me ade ba akopa omatimi aka say bi ubetimi aka say oh we die e won say intercepted ya chomu wabra omu na 38% ne de na so no so omu ko fi kura no omu adwene ahase e adwuma ba akopɛ
and demonstration ya omu yese ya chechiwo mi enti ase nim
mamu na kasa NPP4 hwe mampani kofo
yes
only the best presidential element NPP enya so far omanya President Akufo
yes
and omanya Akufo Addo President Akufo is the best. Omukura under his watch, no. Chachu chikata. Alone. Let's say how any question NPP need be na look at the word injustice e Ghana. And Gwasia and it dance the image of the NPP. President Akufo no poor papa no. Under his watch. He intimidated it to a point where Chachu chikata na onyam from so no yadine kwa kotum. Sabrana we tachu ko tu no emra ye di tachu so wa cause financial loss to the state no abra no wo ye adekura wo ye ye no tie di financial loss to the state e ko che no na sa de no wa ya ma na twemam ya sa ansa ne be ya sa amra no wasn't an existent law before that act or omission was committed omuma emra ne ye adwuma retroactively NPP ni meka injustice wo Ghana ha. Da bia me ni nyakwa bebo bia say example. Ya ti studio ya post studio ya wi adwuma wie musasa no. Ya po yin na de honoma na omo asuma macho men so mo na mepega kwa bebo bia ansa enfa ni free studio enfa ni ko to afiase wo Akufo Addo ifie nchen ho. Police station bi wo ho refer ni Nima police station. Ya si ya ni na yesisi ya anya Beki obesu amade ache nana adanu beki anya ne se so wa fa kwabra bobi ansa ko to afiase pa na bia menna
the former first lady
I no su woni kuru so a na Akufo Addo su sita se beki su bia ne monkwati ne nkwatu na mlanche beti bobie ko to afiase ade ne wa ya bobie akoka se ne yira ko wi aban asase beki akọ wi aban asase na wi ne profo a eyo wonye oyo man Oye your man Ghana. The Republic versus Bobie. Akufo Addo yira ko wi asase a ono na bokiti wako kabienti yakochi Bobie ni ko tunu na ade tin e ma ye ko ye deda di saye busa no onye se beboa NPP ni na kan justice of Ghana. They criminalized speech even to the point say me niamam nyansa Bobby and your friends and Gabby, Mercy. Well, don't tell me what's in that job. Yes. According, any your friends I used to tell you, Nelson. Sabi, Casabi, is a Casabi from Swampem. Akufo Addo no one no mti hold on say o mako yadi e friend criminal libel law a few onesa onesa
yes
let your ban say and na wo judge Tróuble gbadogbe na say temti see so o ko ne create ana
yeah
we free Obeko ko to amochi.
Not or expect to say Akufo Addo the chief justice Wanyanwa.
Sir, I know one me tell you
the suya Ada
e mo na emfa en ma kuti enti.
Ada or ta suya koka or tears of joy.
Tears of joy. Onyan joy here. Ono joy wa samando. On the NPP ni metese wo kase. Wa kasa ma yakochi na jam bufu. We make us obi ka say enti na ye nenye no enti na nso ye bia na asem be no kokan anya se wo kokan asem no ye be chi wo ye invite wo say wa asem wo kokan no bra me ye tutu wa no e na wo ya so bra chie wa so din ana omba mo kakra eno kakra minimum force and you could not court. And I court to say, the person ya wo na kwaji wa home. We Nyankopon kwadi you and what you kosi. What you say kakra. Na kakra no wa bekire. We boni be na abai na ye.
Enti de omo flag bearer Alhaji Bawumia so ka say Ghana's democracy is under attack.
Ono anti democracy na say.
Alhaji Bawumia.
O ka say democracy na ya pons na le yiri twi no. What the democracy is saying? Where was he when they were abusing the laws in this country? Where was he? The Patronian Kenyans of Wesem. Where was Bawumia? And I say you took a Bible and said, yeah. Now, I know where I question why.
Or you the Bunu regional communications officer
and so what
the NPP
and so what it will blow communication officer and Virginia me tete o sometimes no I am not temperature no John Mahama am na conform e ma ye de ye ne person ade ye omo e full opposition ba no ade ne person ade NPP fo no aye omo na nyame ase say John Mahama na president ani omo de Ghana fo ko omo no me ani bra na ya bra me free opposition here ba and you man here person dey your mono so see ba ba mu aye boys let's catch here bro mono omo na nyame ase say John Mahama na president nka John Mahama wa Akufo Addo suba ne 1% e ko mbe ko bi no ko betima bi na me ko ba
mi da se ne boku
e to mo na nyame ase
mi da se
na ni mun ketu ani me se ma nada ne bisa we edu ba bi a na mi fie ya de ache han wo ho ansa na makopakika etimi akwa ko dware etimi asa ko studio anajo ya sebi ya wo se nkanipa ko na ba bi da no wo da ni akomo oga o car glass me car glass ya pine 4 times ananya nya do ye wo ye hunu a hwese ni wo se stabilizing the police no ma the morale of the police kan you know police ni kwa adwuma no wo su hwese o mo de ani dia kwa adwuma omo ranks ya tutum obi akama bibia kwa nim yere die maye wo ten and the level of insecurity will come to Ghana where are you? Can they talk about almost the same?
Almost
the same.
Midasi.
And then they are young.
Midasi no.
No, there you go. Bonia na ka we team. Me fa ma some nsie o. Bonia na we team no. Omo na nyame ase.
Midasi.
Kabana kana ni sa mudra ha. What me na mo freedom amode no na mo kabana. Kamu fana ka bebia kamu de dan kamu tini
midasi list your
boni amudi di yan boni amudi di NDC for
executive director
any year for yan NDC for
edema good governance advocacy give Ghana he tini wom Sammy am before a demonstration na osunyane Bono region wo say NDC aban tata wo mu intimidate with political power
said the list we kan kan no enema bebre na ekoso aban mu e was a Ghana ni bi atinu hunu enti nkenya ya kasemi sei yenka because me fa last week in kwa President Mahama kwa launch free primary health care and the uni national insurance scheme kra na ban say yen saw ya de yen show up on free of charge last week agric minister any adwuma kwa friend sentu esan apan ti asia pama ina so omo ba be si factory ebe fertilizer na fertilizer krefra man on eba ne swati almost say Kwaku see a cashew factory, processing factory plant. Our Sampa.
Okay.
Our ye bono Mantemu. After so farmer service centers maku Edriasa. Eno mubabesi. Na oche mu agric minister Krenny farm meet. Akwanti asapa mo a mo beso akuafo asene amoma don tools out of 810 metric tons of Ghana e consume no mo be produce 600,000. Ghana akuafo mo deserve some better mo beti.
Yes.
Nanso sebio say the list to kind do ba kwasia amre say the otene ho. Na nipa kroko fa NPP ba ye no a omampeni dada Akufo sisi ye kase kokohe akra wagege demu a abo si kohe abunobunu ni nwa esi n'anim a obawe enso so na ye ni yati na yati mpentin kwayo na yesisa umawo ya akukọ batan ne ya yebisa no se ka se aban bi aba wetimi di nipa ni ekani pakasabo ahye omuyemu a ke NPP fo de nkese ensesen komuka bi kra na mo kan se mi se ya eyi nsemi pie sanse se asemi safo akọ bi asemi pono 2017 na mitimunti FM pampa so dwumedi ena studio ni ewe nkra ya mum shut down NC ebetutu munti FM mu ebesine yambie if you want to community FM radio good meteho me ye prepare na ma commission ene ko announce say radio good ya shatten that the same NCA anu bidumu no and the NPP omo ka freedom of speech says an attack 31 radio stations one day we shatten na down so 31 radio stations ni ba ku crane one ye pro NPP NBC stations kwa omo shatten na down including XYZ.
Yes.
Munti FM, Radio Good, Accra, Pro ND stations, you're shutting in down. Other regions, almost shutting in down. District, almost shutting in down. NPP. Nana no makwe press conference, abayin intimidate NPP for na mo NPP wa be mo no Ghana fu bi kasa nsindi ana o se eche o me anche o mo no mabo misa mo to din se me bompire radio so se o nyankopon kra mwa na Akufo Addo eye ni play oko high play now otenemu a enko so the longest latitude na sandi sendi punu so na nka ni fu kra ni nya ensie o mesere ni kobo sampire ni ancheme 2016 Mahama ACKT market.
People can no a lawyer.
Or a lawyer. Wait. Tell me call law school. Nana be waiting me a lawyer. Me call law school that. Me common sense be different ni mo ku. Ma me yem puntu juma. ACKT market. O bank ha hospital se koso. Na occupy Ghana for MPP for. Yes o mo do mo ya professionals o ma ku school mo nye mule. Sa abronya wa call law school 16 years went me pass here omunye mole mo ye ndifo omo ne call demonstration o me pizza etimi ye demonstration ko ya de kugina Jubilee House kuma mama ye ready kuma mama ye o se wo mine kuma mama ye na eye Ken Ofori Atta ojina mu ahye Atigya yi mu sese bi obema ne no pan yanko bema no die enimu se yenkum awrade nkum Mahama se adentina Ghana kwan ase no oye hospitals ase no osi eba na mpunu duma no wo Akufo Addo betena so mfie nwotwe Mahama nyamfie na obetena so mfie nwotwe Mahama di mfie Nancy Kumasi Keta Market phase 1 e commission ye Mahama di 4 years AC eye Accra Regional Hospital rate phase 1 e commission ye what the 4 years AC Lagos Medical Center e commission ye wo betena so 8 years second phase with the Scatwo Kumasi Keta Market went to NC Accra Rate Hospital second phase in that so it's what finishing went to NC Sabra no Ghana for watching yen Akufo Addo person ya TB near friend low bed syndrome me ni ma dear friend low bed syndrome say oko kolebua apim go from na ye dey enwesu omusu na Akufo Addo person ya Sabra no a yenye nwokra mapping for no Sabra no Akufo Addo renti ewim shen $20,000 per 1 hour. No ne se wabruni edi na muhiem.
Na yoga chair nso sim.
Esim yoga.
Yoga chair akonya yebu ye pa wo mu.
Na me hwa ho kya na Ghana from so awade. Obie no ababu mu kra no. Adifo pi omodome se bi o matamfo omo mpekri omodome omo. Akufo Addo ni problem yi free so. Se we obewunye be ye kra e sabeto adaka nti we de me nya ye nto adaka. Me bompae pa. Because ye kwa so dem ye bompae. Ye ka so ye bompae emfa nhwe se adwuma be yi esunsire sibono. O ye bompae ematias man Ghana esunsire sibono. Ye nya ka se ye bompae ntia ya tamfo na obonsam odidifo a ubosu no obi asoro agina bu nsem pa adifo ndi kura timi akwankyere me tutu aboba e de kokututu oze pay because ya tamfo
obotuo no
na sasabonsam ti se Akufo Addo babet na o man Ghana so e di Ghana konkwanso mfie wotwe na me kwa akwaji amanyetumi na me de ma no odi se bi nsamfu na firi nsam a na makobu kutudwe
Addo na Akufo Addo yes sasabonsam he was the president of this country for 8 years
no Akufo Addo di fie sen Akufo Addo ni age group Akufo Addo nya president we bedi ya ankoko retirement ni age group o maso ebinumu ye adwuma private sector ebinumu ye adwuma wa ban mu Addo musika asia mu se ene ye se bi obibabu wa mu Owusu antisa wa ankasa Owusu ena se bi obibabu wa mu agya ona de ene nka wadwudwu wo banche ase na se bi agya ona na ho nto ento mu do musika asia ye papa no da kama group of company for 30 years ebi misika sie ye mpani se ahohini ti ne gya more
Dr. Michael Addo
ebre so mkojo musika no Akufo Addo se ontua omuka omutina wheelchair mu ekotena wiakata banso wo Ministry of Finance for 3 weeks Ken Ofori Atta se on si from kra man wa baba hwe mu wati omo hawo
pie yansa na Ken Ofori Atta kra pia be hwe omo
enam so masano yes and my phone kwakrafo yi over 800 of them why misika no de kosie no kojibi yakwa akoto diabetes edru yesi entua obi bibi tua ne danka yesi entua obi bibi to aduane ko abi yesi entua ema omu over 800 ewu no bisawo yankofa Sammy wa phone kwakrafo 800 ni nyina nchen nyemfa Akufo Addo ene nyina nchen ne musa Ghana fo say si e wotumi e betimi dia 7 pankwa between Akufo Addo ne sankrofo between Akufo Addo and papa na ndara kama conference a group of company Dr. Michael Addo yankofa Addo o de yanfa Dr. Michael Addo pe enna ha nyemfa Akufo Addo nyina ha nyemisa Ghana fo se ento aba ne nsebi ba Akufo life nyana sen kwa se be save Akufo Addo life over dama
so time na ban ne be pa wo me chew say wo yusu wo musika no no dey ayade because no mining ni sika
say me yo boni na mapa
say
so o mining ni sika so musika no
sa brand wo for musika na Akufo Addo no ntwa ne hoka na soafo no pempema nkoma otwenwi na wo ntwa muka
125 ministers
dabi wo ntwa muka enye say scanner bi no de rent private jet ene se wa broni bi edinam yemu no enye say scanner bi ana na say scanner ni ho ena COVID-19 2020 wochiche sika edima NPP delegate NPP executive from branch police station to constituency to region to national wochiche scanner dem am sebrato yoni se be musika mo mo ana nya na enti Akufo Addo e sasabonsam Akufo Addo fi enere Ghana emaburi dodo na nia adwumaye nanso eye so be kwakofa NAPO ni a wawie second university sebra na be ye adwuma na metua oka na wa be ye adwuma bosome pore enwoche NAPO mu a ye bosome pore enkono a chesese bi o hyene mpuna enyinsi anu awo enkono wo so agu NAPO no a wantua nka ena wo de koye no e sasabonsam de to man so ente no free so no de be onya adwuma kra ne wan ha no yenkonko bi se ma me no mko ama no ne kofa ne amade ba se omwan ha o ma na so mon ha o mo companies awodo a e collapse ya dodo na koye Nigeria Burkina Faso eni Cote d'Ivoire ne ne form ba se ne nka ya ade ntino mo koye Debi o senenke ya adenti no mokoye. Ye mobi mfie na atimi disikate market phase 1. Wo ba mfie nwotwe wantumi anye emadwadefo da so ti ensuomu ewo yi kumase wo se wo de ne ye. Enti se ye kasa intimidation a NPP for mo nka bi. Because omo ye omadwe so mo be sa mo be kan Ghana for yawo. Omo di Ghana for fam for 8 good years among themselves. Obi bia no serve Akufo Addo mamuamu a ohu se nyama ekoso a okasa tie bia no yetimi chesi omomomu dane free Ghana. Black coffee ye number 1. Ye dene kwa is not always creative. Ohu se kankane poni dream. A chese omo na so omo konko pese the tourist.
Akufo Addo banso.
Yes, emra no. Na omomomu na ediska no ko. Ekose no kokan no. Ye tata no amani free Ghana.
Jankroma we sika
shani gwasi Akufo Addo na busua de bre Ghana. Akufo Addo ba jankroma ekofa American rapper bi efen McNeil e de ne ba Jubilee House okọ no senika okọ na Akufo Addo transfer masimoka oso onu no nya 17 years kwa no sha se o shiwi
we share the grandmaster
video no ho na Asante Bediatuo was there, Akufo Addo was there.
Take that.
So only 17 years and no chance say we shiwi. Jubilee House, I want to go shoot to a music video. Oh, Jubilee House. And in Gwasi Akufo Addo ba jankrama de bre Ghana. Fatu to Mahamadu ba aye Sharaf. Sharaf and now only to me the international boxers. Amuma Ghana da. Organize a boxing event, the biggest. I'm a no bukoma. Boxing asapija ama mabunu a omuka area boxing manya duma ye kireme Akufo Addo ba jankrama omfa so nya ye dabu no so nya onya opportunity
plenty bridges are seen ade
ekose Ghana say adia Dr. Muako Franka Muako awoti Kumase Asante Regional Minister
Muako
yes echinya ye ankose taxpayer
1 cedi
ankose ye no Akufo Addo ba de ye sen Ejuma Ibrahim Mahamadu EMP eye o Kwame Nkrumah circle dona team 2015 ebe so to yiri Ghana for 1 year takunu and Akufo Addo sisi adapa ekose 43 million Ghana cedis
we are saying scan should be pass
43 million Ghana cedis
so manu na
share radio Ibrahim Mahamadu Sheni ninia kwaje damai wanyansha adwuma se was within 6 months we see airport within 2 years or year asphalted road and a concrete road from Daman to Cape Coast we see 2 hospitals now face cry asset of cry do mo fa anya hwe o say kwa kwosini dan cry de si ho what na ho Akufo Addo bejig ECG e de mani nia gabby asare darko for 6 months omo ye ECG susuro jiji Kennedy ADC campaign pem ebesine gabby antinya to boho ba kokra nka se PDS esun fasuoni
so my musumunye
Ken Ofori Atta ebe finance minister for 7 good years sana juma for free the bank data bank ebe good minister of finance esun fasuoni ani say what the Ghana Kojebosi a no ajimunsi no odi
bidasi sorry
enti Akufo Addo na busuafo se bi no mo ya sasabo nsam o mo te Ghana so enti mamo nkan ya yaw na so mo kan ya yaw a ye bekoso akoso abompaye na me sa me mpaye na Nyankopon antie no menim se bia Nyankopon ewo se bi harsher punishment for Akufo Addo than the meme request
bidasi Samuel Hunto media liaison officer de ma agric minister na neighborhood me ba wo the minority NPP for wamo atwashe NDC abanye tusu kon omo accuse no say the office of the special prosecutor wamo abomodin afakwanya se bia so say wamo beguno esen say the OSP fighting corruption na the NDC abanye so MPC wo be fighting tino NDC abanye egu OSP office no sense me then I can dey afa I think say OSP asem no. I have a quality discussion.
Okay.
Previously.
Okay.
Now, I would, for the want of Ebiana Obienti, me think it to be me question.
Okay.
Because the next topic you will hear me. A quite be as we hear OSP office now. Now, and NPP Nebeka. I charge on Mahamadu on fighting corruption. It's very sad. Say some appointees of John Mahama are not helping the situation, and it's very sad. Sad to the extent say your opposition, now your main agenda is say a quiet Akufo Addo Faswa. Utimi ete office of the special prosecutor no na ibinum adwen ye omo se eye Akufo Addo na na ofiri ni pem e na ase odone man e na wate but ye wadi bi a ye friend United Nations Convention Against Corruption onkak eno ena na ehye say it was saying an officer
independent
of Aban.
Okay.
Senebeya obetimi a prosecute corruption and corruption related offenses. Now, people be brain interpretation are different from what Emrano Eka.
Okay.
Now, many attorney general in Kofu nyadwen because the omoya no counterproductive. Oh, attorney general me busa no question last week here. Say, on Sammy, one prosecution were effected against Ken Ofori Atta. Bakupe. Me dey akosu ni na no me say Ken Ofori Atta mu na share oh, there. Oh, now say we see special prosecutor only 2 minutes obey prosecution. Meboa. Say no, on the findings now we just so we dey court omo dey court nti we watimi akogina so a we say extradition meboa.
Yes.
It is say so about Ken Ofori Atta say na to egu. Wọ́n so ba ye tio. Attorney general ne deputy omo ba ye. Omo fa case ba ko kura kogina court. Ken Ofori Atta.
But no me twa some so 2018 na His Excellency the former president Nana Dankwa Akufo Addo inaugurated the office of the special prosecutor. Wabra Walkers stating emphatically said the office was not set up to have prosecutorial powers. Me patcho sa video no wan be ena me born wa ha a president can say
what Akufo Addo says is not law.
You see, okay. The mampani kan no. O share
name act in emra.
Very well. You share LI 2374 now 2374 now.
Yes.
It was signed by your friend is saying Akufo. Eh? Omo me lawyer for no kra no. You be a friend hierarchy of law. It express constitution the most supreme law of the land, followed by other laws. Which was LI is superior to executive instruments.
Okay.
And now man for say because executive instrument if president won't 10 the president will be chair parliament. I know more if say when they swear president into office. It's parliament. Parliament is the people of Ghana. Your representatives. It wasn't here now you question me a chair say okay if you know papa when a man penny.
Okay.
But you never bet now bemu. Only one soon tell the people that the preamble of the constitution now that the power will always reside with the people. Okay. And not in an airline in terms of hierarchy of law. And more be tell EI. And your friend say I know your friend say same side. We say I was saying compared to EI airline when you move. Oh, to be honest, lawyer for no can create. But me papa feel I don't want to, like Sammy said, I don't want to be a lawyer.
ɛyɛ sɛtan o sɛ ɛyɛ ayɔnkoguro sɛ ɔman nua gɔfrɛ dame yɛ ɔno kora mpo adwene atɔ te kakra yi yɛ ɔno kɔkɔfɔ nkɔfoɔ sɛ ɔmo nkɔkɔ di adanseɛ ntia ayi mini Ato Forson koraa no ɔno koraa no ɛma ne tumi sɛ ɔmprosecute ɛna wɔn sɛ wɔn ne tumi ɔde prosecute wɔn nso kɔ akɔkye kurɔmfoɔ no nipa na wɔkɔkye kurɔmfoɔ no ma ne tumi na ɔprosecute a wɔn sɛ wɔn ne tumi ɔbɛ nti wɔn akasa wɔn ba bɛda n'ani wɔ public sɛ akurɔmfoɔ a wɔn koraa kye wɔn nyinaa no koraa wɔn fɔ wɔn ho ni wɔn yɛ counterproductive personnel this one first one is saying nti age na ɛwɔ hɔ no attorney general ne ayi no hwɛ maame bi wɔ attorney general's department. When they in charge of a public prosecution, director for public prosecution. And your man, Omoyan Wohono, Monsieur Yen Benny, Opa Yen Tuntia, Omoyan prosecution, one case, NPP for. Meanwhile, a idea very obvious. When you are your man, and then go for them, Kwaku say, okay, local prosecutorial powers. Echebeka kanu na obi any prosecutorial powers police ni kwa kodina quarter we prosecute we agree we be man me as sanda jo ma repon me dem say le me kando do na tifu a omuni media ma kire madwen dia fa ho na se de peni kae no de wo ba kwase amre se de otene ho na se wo ba kwase aso ampeni se ya otu ba bi nka from last week ebesi ne so what follow media discussion ekoswa about 70-80% is about the ekosu OSP and Attorney General. President Mahama launching free primary health care. I was here discussing near chilemu. Ema mama ye papa ye nuanu mu nkrase na ombenya so mfaso no. Ne en discuss here no. At a point na was President Mahama no ankasa take stage no was explaining policies. Because he had the attention no ACO office of the special prosecutor and Attorney General. Enti aban no niema pa o ya wo se bo da magana 40 bigina so ahweso ato aba 2028 no aban no appointee esa hwete ni bisa o 2028 ekoto aba se Ghana ni betinye gina adaka mato aba ma NDC because of primary health care. Yes. Obetinye gina adaka mato aba e dia ma NDC because of farmer service center. Obetinye gina adaka mato aba because of a cashew factory kwakusie. Ufi se Ghana ni asebi onitisi ni konso oba ne be manda wo ni senipa. Ebe kwaku gina adaka mso kwa akoto aba because Attorney General aje special prosecutor ni tumi afri ni nsem. 2024 election e kone kan wana. Nese asuni enuku e kwa ya asia. Ensinsa na ebre. In any case, as the special prosecutor already akoso in a special prosecutor is even fighting the Attorney General. Is the Attorney General na fighting? But how suffer Ghanaians? Because of this, Enua OSP Eddie Mustafa Hamid wabonu kwedu say over 230 million sika waje ebonu kwedu. Okoya o challenge special prosecutor say ona say Attorney General kwesi we need to me. 20 million prosecuting. Because of that, court any case need to come say be do sabe na Supreme Court in determination aba. Ene o masa akọ court o mo court as some ajenu Boakye former former procurement authority boss. Yes. Special prosecutor then court now also say we need to me Attorney General class we need to me. Because of that, any case need to go June. So we suffering. Juma OSP here for 1.5 years in here about Ken Ofori Atta extradition. And now could do yours on your jumano. And then you see a null and void. It is a best I shall say a bit to kill another 1.5 years. For 1.5 years, Becca 1.5 years, and this year try saying 3 years, you might say 4 years, I can say 1 year. And then I bet me the eye. Ken Ofori Atta bet me the 1 year didn't ask in a convention. Wait made Nasimenya convention. And Tidiako so now you was a trans in the access say, as soon as what party say, what say we need to know a prosecution. I didn't know last year. Why you 2 minutes friend said? Now, if you Deputy Attorney General say, we are law abiding to buy for High Court order. Say, prosecutorial powers in cases in AG. Now, face to crown in cases of Madam Marine in a convention ya cancel. The same deputy who say OSP requested for authorization, they will grant them. So the question is, court bear number order say OSP
ebe request for authorization random to me ben am wa pesa mo de manual nti munya mfa ma no
me da say Brenaso me da say some of unto media liaison officer to the Greek minister Arafi Listo and Anakusipoku executive director Edema Good Governance Advocacy Group Ghana.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.